So we got our new Lull mattress. Say yay! We even did special makeup today for it, right? This is my favorite mattress in the entire world. I've never had a luxury mattress before, and you know, this one is under $1,000, which is incredible. We're about to have our third kid. You can't really put a price on the sleep that a mommy needs. I've had sleep anxiety for about 10 years, really bad. Like, you know, I've seen therapists about it and everything. This mattress really changed how I slept and the quality of my sleep and the length that I am able to stay asleep, and it's so comfortable that I don't want to get out of bed. Which can be a good or a bad thing, but in my case it's a good thing, because if I wake up because of my sleep troubles, I'm like, you know what, this bed is so comfortable, I can't even get up, so I'm just gonna stay here, and I usually just end up falling back asleep. I've had better sleep in the last year when we got our first Lull than I've had in the past 10 years of my life. Oh. Yeah. Say love you, Lull.
Love you, Mommy.
Say love you, Lull.
Love you too, Mommy.